Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get large clock or time in the taskbar of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just scroll down below. You will see your download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. So finally you can see on the Windows taskbar a large clock is appearing on the right bottom corner, as you can see here. So once I move to the taskbar, it auto hides and it auto reappear. So if you want to customize it, just place your mouse cursor on the taskbar and now just click on this taskbar tray menu icon. And now you will see the software icon. Just right mouse click on it. Now you will see here tons of options. You can see the mode, whether you want it just in the system tray or in the full screen also. You can enable both. The themes also, light, dark and auto, languages and settings. So under the settings, you will see the font styles. So you can select the different font style, whichever font styles you want, and positions here. You can increase or decrease the position if you want it full size or reduced size, whichever you want, and time type, what type of time type you want, and hide type, whether you want to hide in the taskbar or notification area, and hide duration, as you can see here. So you can increase or decrease the hide duration depending upon your needs, and you can make it hide only when idle. You can select the full screen mode also, and here are some more options like auto start. If you want it to run all the time when you turn on your computer, then just select this auto start. You can select this fade in effect also if you want it to appear in fade in effect, and you can select the hot corners. So now to increase or decrease your clock size, just press and hold the control key. As you can see here, it's already written. Just press and hold the control key on your computer keyboard. Now you will see here plus and minus, and you can restore this by clicking on here. So you can, if you click on this plus, you can see the size increases, and you can see in the taskbar the clock size increases. So if you click on the minus, then you can decrease, and if you want to reset the size to the default, then it will be reset. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application settings. So by using this application named as large system tray clock, you can easily get large clock or time in the taskbar of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.